Hi students, my name is Kathleen Reynolds and I'm so happy to be your teacher for Special Topics, Communication Skills for ESL in Spring 2021. In this video, I'm going to tell you some more information about our class using the class syllabus and the Blackboard site. First of all, I want to tell you congratulations for working on improving your communication skills during the pandemic. Is it easy to do this online? It's not easy, but it is possible. I have seen many students who started studying last year in March, or even who started in the summer in June and July, improve their English a lot during this period of time. So my goal in this class is to help you be able to do the same and to meet your goals of improving your communication skills in English. So let me go over first the syllabus and then some of the Blackboard site for our class. So starting with the syllabus, you can see the information about Harper College here. Okay, our class is 2 credit hours and it goes from January 19 to March 14. We have meetings on Mondays and Wednesdays from 9 to 10 a.m. This is the link where we will have the meetings. I will give you more information about how to access that. During the first week of class, Harper is closed on Monday, so our first meeting will be on Wednesday, January 20 at this link. If you ever have a problem with the link, you can also join by phone using this information. We are a 100% online class. And the last day to drop and get your money back is January 25. The last day to withdraw, which means you get a W for your grade, the last day will be March 1. You still have to pay if you do that. So here's some information about me. My name is Kathleen Reynolds. You can call me Kathleen. This is my phone number in the office. It rings on my home computer, so you can call me there. But you can also text me using Remind. I don't send text messages like to the group, but I will answer your questions or anything like that. If you want to do that, follow the instructions here. This is my email address. That is the easiest way to reach me. I do have virtual office hours, so you can make an appointment with me at these times or different times, and I will meet you on Webex at the same link that we will meet for our course, which is right here. So the best way to reach me is email or text via Remind. So maybe you know that this class is a special topics class and where our focus is on communication skills. So we will focus on developing academically oriented listening, speaking, pronunciation, and presentation skills. We will practice also grammar and vocabulary in our class, and students will set and work towards personal goals for your communication skills development. So that means that during the first couple weeks of class, I will be asking you to set some personal goals for what you would like to learn, and I will focus the class on helping you meet these goals. I will show you how to use the app for this class that you need. It costs $2.95. Woohoo! And you can use it forever, as far as I know. It has a lot of content. It's called Learn English with TED Talks. You do need to buy the access online at this link. And then download the app on your App Store or Google Play Store with your login information. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So Harper does have a lot of technology support, including Chromebooks, internet hotspots, and to borrow. Those are both to borrow. And then software, you can also download Microsoft Office Suite onto 5 devices as a Harper College student. So there's some information about that for you. Let me talk a little bit about how our course will work and how we will grade it. I'm not going to be majorly focused on grades in this class. The most important thing is to participate and communicate. I will grade based on your participation in the synchronous sessions. That means Mondays and Wednesdays. But if you cannot attend, I will always record the sessions and you will be able to watch them later. I would like you to participate as much as possible. We will have informal presentations where you need to talk during the class time, about 4 times. We will do a final presentation instead of a final test. We will also have some chances to do pronunciation recordings so that you can practice your pronunciation, and I can give you feedback just for you about how you can improve your pronunciation. And I'll ask you to do a weekly log. You will be able to do that either written or speaking, and it's a report about how your learning English is going. So this is the grading scale that I will use to determine the final grades. If you have any late work, it's fine. Just try to complete it within a week. We are still experiencing a global pandemic, so I understand that there are many difficult situations. So the most important thing is that you communicate with me. It's communication skills class, okay? But always you have to communicate and let me know if you need extra time, if you have any problems. You don't have to share personal information if you're not comfortable, but if you don't tell me anything, I can't help you. Okay, so give me a little bit of information so that I can help you if you have a problem. Okay, so this is some more information about Harper College and other services that we have. For example, we still have the library, the writing center, we have counseling services, and many other services. So please look that over to see some of the things that are available at Harper College. So you can see some of the weekly assignments will have the pronunciation recording and a weekly log, and we'll have 4 informal talks per semester. Usually on Mondays, we'll do informal talks. There will be 6 chances, so you need 4 to do at least 4, and we'll have 1 final presentation. So in this calendar, I show you week by week what topic we're studying, what lecture we will do on our app, and I'm going to show you a little bit more about that. What kind of extra grammar topics and pronunciation topics we'll be practicing, and other lectures which are also in the app, which you'll be able to use to do more practice maybe at a different level. So I'm going to now go over to our Blackboard site and show you a little bit more here. Okay, so this is the Blackboard site for our class, and when you enter the Blackboard site, you will always be in announcements where I will send the most current announcements. They will also go to your email. This announcement will always stay because it tells you the best way to contact me, so it's sort of some useful information. I'm going to go through the different parts of the syllabus of the Blackboard site. So under syllabus and schedule, you can see here the documents that I just shared in PDF or document, as well as this video. Webex Meetings will show you a link to access our course meeting space. So I'm going to quickly show how to use that, and I also have posted a video about it too. So when I click on this link, it might ask you to download something the first time that you use it, but it will be free. It might ask you to put an extension or another type of program. And I can't show you all the features because I'm by myself in it, but basically there is this is to control your audio, this is to control your video, and there will also be over here some chat features too. So the first time that we go in, we'll explore it a little more, and I'm also showing you a video. I'll also show you a video about how to use it, okay? Course materials provides a lot of things that can kind of help you with our class, like how to use Blackboard. This is the video for how to use WebEx that I just showed you. There's some links of help from Harper College. There's a links about Go React, which I'm going to show in the week 1. Some information about our app. So if you're not sure, you can always look there. That's course materials. Faculty information shows you, again, my personal information if you need to find it in another way. And meet your classmates right now is only my personal information also, but you will also join yours later. You will click create blog entry and you will type your name and your country, job, time in the US, family, anything else you want to share, and you can add a picture if you'd like. Most of our course materials will be under learning modules. So I'm going to make another video where I go through week 1 and show you what to do for each step in the process. Okay, so watch that video next. I also have an area called practice materials, and these are extra practice materials that you can use to study English. To get more hours of studying English, I have a lot of great pronunciation practice videos with quizzes and all sorts of great stuff. So check that out when you have time. And then finally, the most other important item would be my grades, because that will show you your grades up to this point. Or on any assignment that we have. Okay, so this is an overview of the course in general, the syllabus, and the Blackboard site. So the next video is going to be about what to do during the first week to get started. So you can go ahead and go over to Learning Modules and week 1, and you can watch the video about what to do to get started. Thanks. I look forward to seeing you in class.